Are you looking for a simple and efficient way to import your MBOX files directly into your Yahoo Mail account? Welcome to WholeClear MBOX. Yahoo Converter offers a reliable and powerful solution designed to make your email migration process seamless and effortless. Key features of MBOX to Yahoo Importer: direct file transfer. Move MBOX files to Yahoo Mail without intermediate steps. Bulk data import. Upload and import multiple MBOX files simultaneously. Preserve email components. Maintain the original structure, attachments, and metadata. User-friendly interface, designed for quick, smooth, and simple operation. Steps to import MBOX mailboxes to Yahoo Cloud. Step 1. Install and launch WholeClear MBOX to Yahoo Converter on your Windows system. Step 2. Select MBOX source. Choose the MBOX file format from the available options. Step 3. Add files. Pick folder or file mode. Then use the Browse button to add your MBOX files. Step 4. Choose destination. Select Export to Yahoo account and click Next. Step 5. Authenticate. Enter your Yahoo login credentials and click Authenticate User. Step 6. Select folder. Choose an existing Yahoo Mail folder or create a new one to save MBOX files. Step 7. Start import. Click Upload now to begin the migration process. Within a few minutes, your MBOX emails will be successfully imported into your Yahoo Mail account. Access them anytime, anywhere, securely and efficiently. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.